John Wycliffe, 1324 to 1384। जॉन wycliffe का टाइम है 1324 से 1384। जॉन wycliffe was an English scholar, scholastic philosopher, theologian, biblical translator, reformer, priest, and a seminary professor at the University of Oxford. Translations of the Bible in 1382 earned him the title Father of English Prose. John Wycliffe John Wycliffe is called the morning star of Reformation. John Wycliffe is called the morning star of Reformation. In 1382, he completed a translation directly from the Vulgate into Middle English. ये वर्जन known in 1382 complete translation directly Vulgate into Middle English. ये वर्जन known as Wycliffe's Bible. It is probable that he personally translated the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, and it is possible he translated the entire New Testament, while his associate translated the Old Testament. In 1377, Wycliffe and Lollard began Reformation in England. Lollard movement. The church, which was seat of power and prestige, was infected with corruption and moral decaying. The ecclesiastics were corrupt and demoralized. They were rolled in wealth and luxury. Poets like Legland and Gower fairly revolted against the growing corruption in the church. They did their best to review the spiritual Christianity in England. John Wycliffe challenged the authority of Catholic Church. He sent throughout the country disciples who were called Lollards or poor priests to separate his teachings. He encouraged them to seek their religion in Bible only, and for this purpose he translated portions of the New Testament of the Bible from Latin into English. ठीक है। जॉन wycliffe 1328 to 1384। देख लें इसका बर्थ एंड डेथ। was an English scholastic philosopher, theologian, purported Bible translator। ये सब देख लें। रिफॉर्म कैथोलिक सेंटिमेंट। जॉन wycliffe who is called the morning star of reformation देख लिए। वर्क्स इसका है द लास्ट एज ऑफ द चर्च 1356, डी लॉजिका ऑन लॉजिक 1360, द यूनिवर्सलिबस on universals 1368, De Dominio Divino 1373, De Medicis Divinici 1375, De Statuts Innocence 1376, De Civili Dominio 1377, Responitio 1377, De Ecclesia on the Church 1379, De Veritate Sacred Scriptures on the Truthfulness of Holy Scripture 1378। ऑन द पोस्टल ऑफिसर 1378, डी एपोस्टिसिया ऑन एपोस्टी 1379। ओके, दो है इसका। और डी एचोरिस्टिया ऑन द एक्रिस्टी 1379, ऑब्जेक्शन ऑफ फेरियर्स 1380। ठीक है, जॉन वैकलिफ का हम लोग वर्क देख लिए पूरा अच्छा से, और इसका बारे में जान लिए। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर